Life is not at all that bad, my friend. If you believe in yourself, if you believe there's someone who wants to laugh with you,
Today, I stand before you with humility and gratitude for the honors you have accorded me. We come from different places. I'm proud to have met you. Rest assured that this friendship will continue through every activities and sacrifice, as well as my classmates, both the regular and adopted, who share the burdens and victories. To my mentors, upperclassmen and underclassmen, who guided and challenged me. To my staff and colleagues, maraming salamat sa inyong taus-pusong suporta. Whatever I have achieved is not mine alone. You have all been part of this journey. To our cadets, you are among the few who have been chosen to walk this path. Guard the remaining years of your career to be molded with righteousness.
you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll show you the way. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light.
Every day, we will be faced with choices, whether to do what is easy or what is right, whether to serve ourselves or to serve others, whether to give up or to press on. Let us choose well. Let us choose to live a life of purpose and service. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12 sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa.
At kung saan na napadpad ang ilan, sa dating eskwela meron din naiwan. Meron pang ang mga ilang nawalan na lang, nakakamiss ang dating samahan.
Sana nga ba, sana nga ba, sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Sana nga ba, sana nga ba, sana nga bang barkada ngayon?
Magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan
magkaibigan